You got a lot of artwork cluttering up your walls? If you want to know what's in the box, I invite you to join me on the canvas as I create these, listen to some cool tunes, and at the end I'll give you some more information. And there'll be a lot of information down in the description below, which I haven't written yet, but I intend to write it. Anyway, my name is Tiffany Romine and welcome to my channel.
I'm a mess. Don't know how I got here, but I'm blessed. Didn't know it'd take me past my destiny. You're behind me with the rest, 'cause I'm a mess. No more you,
and I go home. You said things could only get better. I needed more than ever. They gone. How can I believe you when everything is see-through? Everything is see-through. Everything is see-through. Everything is see-through. How can I believe it when everything is see-through? You see through. Gotta make space for the new you, like I'm old news in your rearview mirror. It must be nice, you went and got a penthouse, all your friends partying is real loud. Brand new money with a brand new chest, still a baby bird right straight off the nest like you.
So a while ago, I was scrolling through my Instagram feed and I happened upon this Art and Found Day because I was looking for a way to, pay forward my art. And if you happen to be an artist and you're interested, I'll put the link to the website below. And basically what it is artists across the world come together on a particular day and they randomly leave a piece of art somewhere in their neighborhood for some unsuspecting person to find and take home. However, I don't want to wait till March 12th. I'd like to do that today because, to be honest with you, the Netherlands, where I live, and we just went on a 3-week lockdown because of COVID again. Before I continue on with the rest of the story and where I actually dropped my art, here's the wet result, just quick for you to kind of see them, all 3 of them together. Hey, and if you happen to like my content so far, please don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on notifications so that you know each week when I drop a new video. Yeah, ciao for now. All right, so here they are, and I'm going to package them up and get ready to drop them off. So I thought it would be a fun idea to take some art that I created a while back and leave it randomly on a park bench, and maybe hopefully we'll brighten up somebody's day because, yeah, let's face it, we've all been kind of struggling these last, how long has it been anyway? Number 1, yeah, 2, kind of a horrible wrapper, 3. Oh, I'm recycling. That's a good thing, right? Can I be like any more disorganized? How to use Floetrol, brushing or rolling. I'll read it online. The struggle's real. I'm English, Dutch. All right, here we go. I hope somebody can read this. Hello. I don't know how to say that. Oh, shit. Kunstschilderij. English. Dutch language is always too long. Oh, there's a hair stuck to, oh, how gross is that? I get hair in everything. Oh, why is this so difficult? No, why are you sticking? Go in the packaging industry. Particularly this, I do one package, you wouldn't make any money. I can't go work for Amazon. Okay. Oh, and what are those Dutch words again? Free, home, blah, blah. Well, that's brutal. Didn't even fit. Should I be doing this? If they're going to be afraid to take it, think it's like some contaminated something inside, and that's not going to be cool, right? It's kind of lame. I can't worry about these things. I cannot worry about these things. Let it go.
I'm a mess. Don't know how I got here, but I'm blessed. Didn't know it'd take me past my